Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting review of what could be the best accessory for your Xbox Elite Controller Series 2 Core. The DUXICEPIN Complete Component Pack is an all-in-one solution designed to elevate your gaming experience and keep your controller in pristine condition. If you're someone who takes gaming seriously, this kit is going to take your setup to the next level. This comprehensive accessory pack is tailored specifically for the Xbox Elite Controller Series 2 and Series 2 Core, ensuring a perfect fit. But it's not compatible with the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 1, so make sure you have the right version before purchasing. Inside the pack, you'll find everything you need to optimize both performance and convenience. Included is a sturdy carrying case, perfect for storing your controller and all accessories safely. It's designed with precise grooves to securely hold the controller and prevent any damage during transport. The charging dock in this pack is one of its standout features. With its conductive copper pin design, it ensures your controller charges quickly and efficiently, minimizing current loss. The dock is stable and fits perfectly at the bottom of the carrying case, making it extremely portable for those who game on the go. No more worrying about finding cables or dealing with messy charging stations. This dock streamlines the entire process. The DUXICEPIN kit also includes a set of 4 magnetic thumbsticks, crafted from high-quality silicone. These thumbsticks have a textured design that not only enhances the grip but also increases the precision and accuracy during gameplay. Whether you're playing a fast-paced shooter or a strategy game, you can rely on these thumbsticks to provide superior control. Next, we have 4 paddles and 1 standard D-pad. The paddles are magnetic and snap right into place with minimal effort. With these paddles, you can engage multiple fingers for quicker reactions, giving you an edge over traditional controls. You can also switch to the D-pad if you prefer a more traditional feel or if you're playing a game that demands more precise directional input. The pack also includes an adjustment tool, allowing you to fine-tune your paddles and thumbsticks for maximum comfort and responsiveness. Whether you're making minor tweaks or adjusting for an entirely new play style, this tool makes it easy to customize your controller for the best possible gaming experience. All of these components come in a package that's compact and easy to carry, making it ideal for gamers who need to travel with their equipment. The carrying case holds everything securely, so your controller and accessories will always be safe, no matter where you take them. Whether you're heading to a friend's house or just storing it for later use, you can rest assured that your Xbox Elite Controller Series 2 will be protected. So, if you're looking to enhance your Xbox Elite Controller Series 2 Core experience, the DUXICEPIN Complete Component Pack is hands down one of the best options available. From the thoughtful design of the charging dock to the quality of the thumbsticks and paddles, every part of this accessory pack is built with performance in mind. With everything included, you'll be able to get the most out of your controller and have it ready for any gaming session. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more detailed critiques of the latest gaming products.